Hello everybody, welcome back to the REALME channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix fingerprint sensor not working on your REALME 16 Pro Plus. First, what you guys want to do is clean the screen. So it is very important because you want to clean over the optical sensor, which is right here. Now you can clean this entire area like this to make sure that you clean it. Now what you guys want to do next is simply re-roll a fingerprint. So we're going to do that in the settings. Now in the security and privacy, here in device unlock we have face and fingerprint unlock. We tap on fingerprint and enter the password. Here what we want to do is click on three dots, click delete, and click add a fingerprint. Now click on add now, and here press on the sensor until you feel a vibration. So keep on pressing your finger. Now enroll the edges slowly, and once you do that you can click done and we can try it again. So as you guys can see, it works, but if you have a fixed screen protector, it also might be an issue, and if you have one, you can try and remove it and see if that fixes the issue. So that's it for the video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, then leave a like, subscription, and a comment, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.